for stunning beaches, the iconic Opera House, and bridge overlooking one of the deepest natural harbors in the world, Sydney is the perfect place for my next adventure.
Good morning.
Hi, I'm Dr. Vanessa.
Lexie, so nice to meet you.
I'm heading to Rose Bay Wharf in the city's famous harbor with Dr. Vanessa Pirotta, a leading wildlife scientist and a pioneer in the world of marine conservation, specializing in the study of whales.
You excited to see some whales?
Oh my gosh, so excited.
Let's go. We're about to enter what is called the humpback highway.
I love the sound of that.
Each year, thousands of humpback whales will migrate from Antarctica all the way up the Australian east coast to reproduce. But when we see them off Sydney, they're now changed directions and they're heading back south to go to Antarctica, where they'll spend our summer feeding on food.
Oh my gosh, how long does it take for them to get there?
It could take a few weeks or maybe a few months or so, depending on how long they like to hang out.
Crazy that a whale could swim faster than I could drive around the world. I had read that you analyze whale snot?
The boogers, or the internal juiciness that comes out from their lungs, that is the kind of biological component we want to collect to learn more about what's going on inside their health. One of the ways we can learn more about our environment is by assessing whale health.
Time to collect our sample. When it comes to collecting the snot, Vanessa and her team have come up with a fascinating piece of tech to study these complex and mysterious mammals.
The way it works is to follow the whales along. They blow out the cloud of vapor, and then we fly at it and open the dish, grabs it, and then you can shut it like Pac-Man.
Whoa.
So the drone is essentially the scoop for collecting our sample.
All right, so what's the game plan for today?
What we'll do, we'll have a scan of the area and to see if any of the sunshine illuminates any potential whale breath. And then once we find whales, we get our drone ready to sample whale snot.
Never thought that would be on the itinerary. Let's do it.
Something's caught my attention over here. It may be a wave, but something is there. Just here!
Wow.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Petri dish? Check. Drone? Check. Let's go catch our sample.
There she goes.
There it is, there's the snot, we're going forward, and that's the collection.
Good work.
Closing the dish.
And see, the dish is shut now and now won't open until we're back in the lab.
All right, now I've got to get it back to the boat and secure the catch.
Solid drop right there. Wow, these suckers are really on there.
So you are holding whale snot from an Australian whale. How cool is that?
That's so gross, but also really cool. I would imagine that this type of science is a pretty male-dominated space. Curious what their thoughts were when you started popping a drone up to catch some snot.
But being a woman in science is very powerful. And when I was a little girl, there was no female scientist that I could remember doing this type of thing. And by being present and females talking about this work is definitely, no doubt, inspiring to those younger generations.
As we head back to land, Dr. Vanessa takes us the scenic route.
How amazing is this? I never get sick of seeing this.
Such a gorgeous place. It's been an amazing, restful couple of days in Sydney, and now I'm heading to Byron Bay.
Another 763 kilometers later,